Hey everyone! If your apps keep crashing in iOS 18, follow these simple troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Let's get started. Step 1 is to restart your iPhone. Open the Settings app and scroll down and tap General. Here, scroll to the bottom and select Shutdown. After your iPhone powers off, wait for a few minutes, then turn it on, and a simple restart often clears a temporary glitches that cause apps to crash. Now, update your iOS. Go to your settings and click General and select Software Update. If a new update is available, tap Download and install. You can also turn on automatic updates to keep your system current. iOS updates often include bug fixes that improve app stability. Now, step 3 is update all apps. You can go to the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right and scroll to see available updates. Here, tap Update All or Update next to specific apps. Outdated apps may not work properly with the latest iOS version. The step 4 is reinstall problematic apps. If a specific app keeps crashing, delete the app by pressing and holding its icon and tapping Remove App and click Delete App and reinstall it from the App Store. And this clear any corrupted app data. And lastly, check your iPhone storage. You can go to your settings and click General and select iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough free space. And that's it. By following these steps, restarting, updating, reinstalling, and freeing up steps, you can quickly fix most app crashing issues on iOS 18. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.